Alright, let's begin the video by looking at this integral that's the first question of Coroneos' 100 integrals. Coroneos, or Jim Coroneos, was a textbook author and published many mathematics textbooks, and he published or he released 100 different types of integrals, 100 questions involving different types of integrals for the extension to HSC students to tackle. And the first question we have is we're given an integral. I've called it I, and I equals to the integral of x on x squared plus 4 integrated with respect to x. Okay. Now, I guess at first sight, this actually is a pretty easy integral. We can see that it's we sort of have the derivative of the denominator on the top, right? So if we take the derivative of x squared plus 4, we get 2x. What do I mean by that? I mean that the d on dx of x squared plus 4 is indeed 2x, right? So it is 2x, and we have an x on the top, but we don't have a 2. So how do we go about doing that? Well, it's really simple. Continue this line. What we're going to do is we're going to multiply the numerator by 2, so we'll get 2x, right? But at the same time, I have to multiply by half so that it remains the same, right? Simple enough. And that is all over x squared plus 4 integrated with respect to x, okay? And of course, half, right? Half is a constant, so we can take that outside of the integral, and it will still be an equivalent integral, right? So we can take the half out, and that'll leave us with 2x on x squared plus 4 integrated with respect to x. And here we have an integral, and I'll put this in, actually I'll put it in a box on the side, on the right hand side. We have an integral with the form f prime of x all over f of x, right? This is the form that we have in the integral, right? You can see that the f prime of x is 2x, and the original function f of x is in the denominator. So when we have an integral like this, this is equivalent to the natural log of whatever function is on the numerator. Okay, so that's what it equals to. So in this case, we have half. Should I put? No, I shouldn't put that. So we have half times the natural log of x squared plus 4, right? And of course, we have the constant c at the end, and that's the end of the question.